Welcome guys. Now we are in question number 3 in C# and .NET code exercises series. Here the question is explain inheritance in real world code example. Here you need to explain the real world code exercise, how you use inheritance, right? Before that, I want to remind this that in question 2 I explain what inheritance is and explain it with kitchen appliance, right? Here I use HR domain or employee related things to explain inheritance, right? This is just a diagram. I explain it in code level, right? In inheritance we have two relationships, which mean the relationship as a parent-child relationship. All the properties and methods automatically comes to the child from parent, right? This employee is a parent class. The manager is a child class, right? All the properties in employee automatically comes to the manager class because the manager is a subclass or derived class from this parent class, right? The here we are explaining only the inheritance, right? After the inheritance you can get after there are so many concepts in OOPS, right? Coding exercise part, right? Here I have a namespace called OOPS, right? I will explain what namespace in later question, right? Then I have three classes actually: the employee class, manager class. Manager is derived from employee class. This is the way how inheritance use actually inheritance code in C#, right? And I have the program class and main method. This is a console application. I want to explain how these things use in this code level, right? Think employee is a parent class actually. We can say this is a base class or super class. The all three are same, right? It may say parent class, base class or super class, all are same. The employee has employee name, employee ID, employee salary, and here I declare a constructor. Constructor is a one part, right? In the constructor I initialize the properties, right? And it has only one method. We say display information, right? We display employee name, ID and salary with string interpolation, right? These are the bunch of concepts. I'm not going to explain all these things in here. The what constructor is, what string interpolation is, and things, right? Here we explain only the inheritance. All right, let's move into child class. Child class is a manager class. It's derived or extend from parent class, which means the manager automatically has all the properties and methods, which mean these properties and these methods and this initialization parts also automatically includes with this inheritance, right? Here I add one more property. The manager has a department, and the manager class also has a constructor. Within this constructor I use the base constructor, also the same initialization there, and add one more property, initialization. Department also initialize here, right? Constructor is a special methods. It's like a method actually. It's not a method, right? The constructor has no return type, and constructor call only when creating objects and things are there, right? We'll explain in later, right? Just get some idea, right? The manager class also has display info method. Please remind this parent class display info method, we use this virtual keyword, right? In the child class, we use this override keyword, right? Then we can override that methods inside the child class, right? Inside that, the base info, which mean these methods will print. And also one more console.write line there, it's a department. The manager has a department, right? This is the program class. The program class runs on it's a starting point in console application in .NET, right? Here we create an object from parent class and display those employees method, and at console.write line also, it's for getting some space, right? Line break actually. Then we create a object from manager class with these values, right? When we create the objects, automatically call the constructor and these value will be assigned to the properties, right? Then we call manager object with display info, right? It has the many things. It has both parent class things and child class things, right? This is inheritance actually, right? The inheritance mean I will run this code and show you what this is, right? First we create an object from employee class with this name, ID and salary. It appears, right? When we creating object from manager, it has the property name likewise as same as before, and the manager has more things like a department, right? In this way, what are the benefits? Benefits mean you can use this code reusability, maintainability, right? Hope this is clear. Let's move into next question.